how to make sticker tracking video in CapCut for mobile. Okay friends, I want to add a sticker with this moving person. Okay, let's start. Go to sticker and I select a moving emoji. I select this and now I just small it. Okay. Now I increase emoji layer with my full video. Delete CapCut logo. Okay. Now select this emoji layer and go to tracking. Now start tracking. Okay. Wait until tracking is finished. Okay, now see the result. In this process, you are able to add any sticker of your moving object. So friends, I hope this video helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel. I am a small content creator. Please support me. Thanks for watching and again say please subscribe my channel.